Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing and accessing the light module. This matters because speed prevents water or debris damage. First, remove charms and dry the shoe, then pry open the sole seam gently with a flat tool to expose the light cavity. Once done, inspect the small PCB and battery pill. Make sure to test the lights before full disassembly so you know if you need a new LED, a battery, or a soldering repair. Now you dig into diagnosis and repair where most fixes happen. Measure the coin cell voltage. Swapping in fresh cells often restores function, but if the LED still fails, examine solder joints and traces for breaks. If you see a cracked trace, clean and bridge it with solder or conductive ink. If an LED lead is loose, reflow carefully. Once connections look solid, reseat the module, press to simulate normal contact, and test before sealing to confirm the fix. Finish by reassembling and validating the repair so the lights hold up in use. Carefully seat the module in its cavity, align the sole edges, and use a small amount of flexible adhesive or a warm press to reseal. Let cure fully. Test the lights for 10 minutes to catch intermittent faults, then flex the shoe gently. If problems persist, try another battery or replace the LED. If intermittent glitches continue, you may need a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.